Easter is one of the most important observances of the Christian calendar. But do Jamaicans still celebrate Easter? And what about Easter traditions? Do they still exist?
I remember waking up in the mornings early and we set eggs in water, and then whatever form it takes, we know that that's a guide. And what else? And we eat Easter bun and cheese, and we normally don't cook until after the morning passes.
Well, I remember back in the days we used to go to church about crucifixion and about how Jesus was crucified on the cross, and about how he was fasting for 40 days and 40 nights. Yeah, them say it was Lent, and some people don't eat meat and those things. I remember growing up, it was about church.
So bun and cheese day that, and on Good Friday, people normally do not on Good Friday. Then they really put when on Good Friday, people really do not work because they say at a time they didn't crucify Jesus.
So today, I want to say I embrace a spiritual Easter by being born again in Jesus Christ.
So when we were little, me and my cousins would make kites, but we would use sticks that we found around the yard with literal book paper and some string that we sew from our grandmother's sewing kit and some old cloth. We make the tail and we go on the hill and we heist it up, and or we just run with it.
Well, we have church, Easter bun, and all the goodies them.
As a child, when I grew up, I remember quite clearly what my mom was teaching me about my culture. The fry fish, the dressing up, getting nice socks with patterns on it, nice underwears, seersucker underwears that time, and making sure that everything was correct in Easter to celebrate and enjoy my culture.
Easter, I remember when my brother and my sister used to come and bring Easter, but it was a happy day for us at that time, you know what I'm saying? So getting big now, so we have to tell ourselves that we have work to do. You understand me? Easter don't come the way to me as well, because every day is holiday for me.
Well, bun and cheese, but me is a bushman. We got a bush go run up and down when we left school. When school lock, we dining for the holiday for go river and bush. Big tangerine and guinea and mango. Yeah, that me remember. That we love to so.
Well, on Easter Day you go to church and you eat bun and cheese and fried fish and bami. Go to church and praise God.
Honestly, I'm going to go home, stay home and sleep.
Well, I plan to, get better in the Lord. I'm a servant of the Lord. I'm a Christian. So I acknowledge the crucifixion, and I also acknowledge the Lent, which is, this is a time that, testing time that you must keep yourself together, keep yourself praying, and keep yourself pure. And let yourself be a better version of you as you go on. That's my plan.
It's like stay on the family and have a full jam myself, have a nice time, eat some bun and cheese and just full jam myself.
Enjoy myself and make the kids them have fun. Yeah, man.
Well, I don't have many plans, but just to relax and celebrate Christ and all of that, yeah.
Go to church and come back home with my family.
I will be celebrating to go to church on Friday, and on Sunday, Easter Sunday. And beyond that, every day for me is Jesus.
I'm taking it easy. I'm going to church on Sunday to celebrate Easter with my church family.